In this video I'm going to show you how to degrease an engine. First thing you're going to need is a can of heavy-duty engine degreaser available at local parts stores. May not look like this one, but make sure it says heavy-duty engine degreaser on it. For this procedure, you want the engine to be cool and dry. The next step is to spray the engine down with the degreaser. Be generous. Be careful not to get it on the exterior paint. Follow the directions on the can. On my can it said to let it sit anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so now, after our degreaser has sat for about 10 minutes, it's time to hose it off. I'm using a pressure washer. If you don't have access to one, a regular garden hose will work just fine. Once you've rinsed all the degreaser off the engine, close the hood, start the engine, and let it run for 10 to 15 minutes to dry off all the water.